Hi friends, this is your lesson 2 exit ticket. So for this activity, or this lesson I should say, we are continuing with what we talked about yesterday about pulling out the two numbers in a three number sentence that equal 10. Because we know, friends, that it's easier to count on from 10. So to add that third number in, so that's what we're going to do with this problem. So what I want you to do is you've got two different problems. You've got A up here and then you have B down here. So for A, I want you to look 8 plus 2 plus 3. I want you to pick out the two numbers that added together equal 10. And I want you to write those two numbers down here and then show me that they equal 10. Then down here, because you've added those two numbers to give you 10, what's that last and final third number that you're going to add to 10 to get your final whole? This is your final whole, and you can write it up here on this line as well. Okay? So same thing for this one down here. You're going to look at these three numbers, 7 plus 4 plus 3. Which two of these numbers added together give you 10? Write those down here to equal 10. And then add that third number down here, just like we did yesterday, friends, okay? Make sure in your number sentences up here that you circle those two numbers that equal 10, okay? Just like you did yesterday in your exit ticket. Remember, if you're confused or you don't know how to do this, go back and watch the learning video again or put your name on the help board.